In primetime news this evening, new DPP to take office next week.
2 men believed to be involved in deadly shooting in Commodore Linstead fatally shot by police.
And Indicom again raises alarm about the spate of police-related fatal shootings. Good evening and welcome to primetime news, and a special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious. There's also business news later in this newscast, but Jermaine Brown is here with the big show. He has a preview of what's to come.
Janella. While the Reggae Boys World Cup qualifying campaign continues in earnest on Friday when they play away to Curacao in a crucial game. The details a bit later on.
So Janella scared him away last night, but he will be here with the weather report and forecast later on. There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast, but before the break, the feedback question.
And Archie, this evening we are asking, how do you suggest the police handle violent individuals?
You can share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and you can post as always on X at TVJ News Center.
So please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.